The alternative media has become a myopia, which is revealing things that were revealed a long time ago, but now they're being revealed by the new superstars, and therefore a lot of people who are new to this think it's just happening and just being revealed. It was revealed a long time ago. And the myopia is focusing attention on one level of the conspiracy without seeing the gigantic level. And you know, when I am talking about this this matrix, this fake reality, this simulation, I started talking about it just after the turn of the millennium. I'd been thinking about it before then, for years before then, but it really reached the point where I'm sure that this is what it is. And so that was just after the turn of the millennium. And then from about 2016 onwards, more and more, a lot of mainstream scientists have come out and said, actually, it does look like it's a simulation. And if you take it to be a simulation, suddenly a lot of the mysteries of reality start to make bloody sense. And this is continued. I remember talking back after just after the millennium about the fact that I was saying that this is a simulation, and that on one level, the so-called speed of light is one level of the simulation. But beyond it is the rest of the simulation. But that's basically the human level. And then I read an article in Scientific American in 2021, which was about the fact that this looks like it's a simulation, and that the limit of the simulation, I would say at this level, is the speed of light. And the writer related the speed of light to processing speed. He said that, you know, what happens when you're...
Peter Thiel took $500,000 and turned it into $1 billion using the exact same techniques we're using inside the investment club. He met a CEO, his name was Zuckerberg. He pitched him the deal and he said, okay, I'll give you $500,000. Mark went public and sold the shares to people like you. Well, what happened to Peter? Well, he exited and got a 2,300x return. The wealthy invest in early stage companies, folks. The public markets are for suckers. It's a rigged game. By the way, this happens in crypto as well. It's called pre-sale tokens. This is Solana. Does anybody know this chain? They sold pre-sale tokens for 4 cents. And you can see the date on there, April 5th, 2018. Look at Solana today, folks. That thing's up over 1,000x. The media and Wall Street and all these hype people get you to buy the top. Meanwhile, they put their clients in at the bottom and they use you for liquidity to make their clients rich. You can play this same game. You just have to have the financial education and the deal flow. That's it.
Creating a virtual reality video game is that you can lay out the rules and you can lay out the limits, but you're still limited by your processing speed of what you can do. And so as I've looked at this more and more and tried to understand how this whole simulation works, it's become clear that this unfolding, like I said earlier, technological explosion is mirroring the way the actual reality we experience works. So if I had a computer here, I could log it in to the Wi-Fi field. The Wi-Fi field is a radiation field of information. The entire internet is in that Wi-Fi field. But my computer would log into that electromagnetic field, basically, and it would put it, whatever I chose, whatever part I chose, would put it on the screen in a totally different form to what it exists in the Wi-Fi field. It would put on graphics, moving pictures, images, words, whatever. And the more that I've kind of studied this, I've realized, I talk about this in the roadmap, that what we call the human body, and I've been calling it this since the 1990s now, it's a biological computer. And it's doing what a desktop computer does. This matrix, this simulation, is not a physical construct. It's a field of information, just like a Wi-Fi field. And what the body is doing is interacting with this field through the five senses, not least. And it's producing a version of this information field, just like Wi-Fi in the desktop computer, that we think we're experiencing. But actually, in the way we think we're experiencing it, we're not.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street, and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call
first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.